Hello guys, it's me Joranish. This video let's see the unboxing and my review of the BoAt's Airdopes 441 twin wireless earbuds. So let's not further delay, let's get started. Starting off with a quick unboxing, this is the pack I have received from the Amazon and it's a gift pack. Okay, let's do the unboxing first quickly. Okay, first let's open the Amazon's gift box. And here we got the Airdopes box. At the front there is a BoAt branding mentioned, and at the back top also they have mentioned BoAt, and it's mainly made in India, Mumbai, and some of the specs were mentioned. At the right they have mentioned secure fit and 6mm dynamic driver, and some of the important specs also mentioned there. Now let's quickly open it up this sealed box. Opening up the box, at the top itself we got the BoAt's charging case inside with the earbuds. Okay, let's keep it aside and check what all the accessories are there. Opening up the small box, inside we got a micro USB cable to charge the case. And below we got some catalogs. And there is a warranty card, 1 year warranty to claim any problems, and then there is a manual. And also inside the small box we got some extra earbuds. We got some in different size fitting. This is all what we got inside the small box, the extra buds and the charging cable. Back to the main earbuds, and this is the charging case. At the top, BoAt banding mentioned, and there is a charging indicator light. Back we got a USB charging port. At this price range it's really good. Coming back to the bottom side, they have mentioned it comes with an 500 mAh of battery capacity to charge the earbuds. Okay, now let's open the charging case and see the earbuds. Opening up the case, the first impression was really good. The LED lights blinks in the earbuds when we open up the case first. The first in-hand feel is really good. The earbuds comes with an advanced capacitive touch controls with Bluetooth 5.0 support, and it also has IPX6 water and sweat resistant. At this price range we are getting this is really good. And also the earbuds is very light in the hands. It makes the earbuds really a beauty. Mainly at this price range, the design was really good at this price range. The weight and the design, overall everything was just perfect. Coming back to the charging case, it has a auto open and close option. I have already said that This charging case comes with an 500 mAh of battery capacity. It takes up to 1.5 hours to fully charge the buds. With this case, we can charge the buds up to 4 times. Okay, now let's move on to the real-time experience with the earbuds. The earbuds fits perfectly in my ears. The bass and the sound quality was really good, perfect. The response of the capacitive touch controls are really good. It's quite impressive. Overall, at this price range, it fulfills everything. So that's it guys, this is my overall impression and my review of the Airdopes 411. Hope you all liked the video. Thank you for watching, it's me Jordan signing off, see you soon in my next video.
Fearless.